Now you can see clearly the letters of the words in my writing. All the edges of the letters are sharp and crispy, and this pattern is followed throughout this writing style. Now let's focus on this writing. Key things learned from this lesson are the following. This writing style, right? The sharp and edgy writing style is not that much common. It requires a lot of practice, but if delivered well, if written well, it can enhance your writing to a huge extent. It's because that's why it's an advanced form of writing. And this writing can be found in any writers of any professions.